Hello. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So, how many of you see any poll? I mean, if you can see the poll, respond. Share about 8 joiners.
No, we can't see the poll.
Can't see the poll. Even I am not sure how to make it visible, but fine. If you so it's just like, do you have access to project Seek portal?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
So, you have
So for me, access is there, but when I click on the register thing to submit the name and all, it's saying not open.
Yes, sir. Same problem, sir. It is showing that registration is not begun yet.
you are not subscribed, something like that.
No,
So,
no, no.
When you
so through an external link, we're able to access, but when we try to go through the portal, like your current courses, your current project, it takes us to the Viva booking things.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no,
Same.
Yeah, that's the problem, sir, actually.
Sir, actually for me, when I click when I click the click on register button, it is showing that registration for the current term has not begun yet.
Yeah, so even I'm facing that same issue.
Me too. Sir, I have access to the project actually from my current projects. Is that what you're asking actually?
I'm
Yes.
asking about Seek portal. The Seek portal, like the portal you have for all the courses, right? The usual course portal.
It's basically where you can see all those contents like week 1, week 2, but for the project, it's some
Yeah.
kind where you do the assignment submission, actually.
Yeah. That portal we can see. For example, we can see that Kaggle contract registration, cutoff score weighting, notebook checklist.
Okay.
Is that the one?
Yes, yes. That.
Okay.
So there is one link, click to register. When we are clicking on that, it says
Yeah.
registration for the current term has not yet begun.
Right. I'm also getting the same. Yeah.
Yeah,
Rest
sir.
everything is working, not an issue.
Yeah, sir. But the link you provided in the chat, I think someone has provided the link. When I'm clicking upon it, I'm actually able to see that Seek portal.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
think that's what I
From this
mentioned.
link,
So
we are able to see this.
through externally, we're able to access it, but this link is not there in any guideline document or anywhere.
That's fine. That's fine. Don't worry about that. Okay, so.
Yeah. Right. Through the link we can access actually.
Okay. So I'm talking about this portal. Wait. I think it will appear soon. Okay, so I'm talking about this portal. So I think this 24T2 CS2008P. I mean, that's what changes, right? So this is Term 2. So if you go to project guidelines, there's a link given. So if you open that, something like this guideline will appear. A long list of this. So This explain how project workflow goes on and what you should do, something like that. Okay.
Mhm.
So okay, so let me explain how project goes. Like you register for the project, like through this. I mean, so what you have to do is you have to submit this assignment. In this, there are two questions. Submit your username of Kaggle. Okay, Kaggle username. Submit your Kaggle username. Okay, uh, which is so me. Okay, so the Kaggle link for this competition is like following the link to the competition, right? So this is the link to the competition. I'll go there. I'll just show.
Excuse me, how do you access that page? I don't get that page. I go into like the Viva page.
This you have this.
No, I just go directly into like another Viva page.
See, so
Sir,
I
is it
think
linked to the main? Is it linked to the main Seek portal? Because directly we are able to access, but it is not linked inside the Seek portal, I guess.
yes, sir. This page we cannot access directly from our dashboard.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
also a link. The same link is to the MLC guideline which you got in the email. It's the same, I think so.
Yeah. So this is the guideline.
The
The
guideline
guideline.
document.
Yeah, this guideline document. In that I'm going to towards this like competition. This competition, right? The Kaggle competition.
So we can access this. There is no issue, but the link that you have provided right now, no, so we cannot access that link directly. We can access that directly, but it is not linked to the main Seek portal.
yeah, it's
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
in
if you
Casper, this
can
portal
see,
is nowhere.
okay, see later on, like what you have to do is so see the first step of this is register for the project, make submission with your notebook, cross the cutoff, right? So in this register for the project part is there, the first part. To register for the project, you need to submit this assignment. This is May term MLP project. Okay, this one. In this, you have to go to this assignment and you have to submit this two, 1 and 2. The first is your username, another is your notebook name. So your username would be so your username, you can see username in settings. Like if you go to settings, right? So this is my username. I mean this is my answer. If I want to, so this is like okay, submit your username. This is
It
my
is
username.
it is
Okay.
any name which we have created the account, right, sir? The Kaggle account, whatever we have created.
Yes, any username
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
Okay. So this is for username, and you are okay. I mean it doesn't matter because, and in this you have to provide your notebook name, something like this. So you have to generate the notebook, right? So if we go back here, uh, yeah. So uh, if I go to code, yes. So you can create a new notebook, right? Any notebook, right? So your work will appear here, like your work. There are yeah, there are four. This right.
Any
Four.
guideline to create the notebook name, sir?
Yes, yes. So whenever you create a new notebook, right?
Mhm.
This uh,
So when we're creating the new notebook, it has to be done from this competition page. No?
yes, yes.
Okay.
It has to be done from competition page. It's not any random notebook, because then it will not be linked. You will not be able to see. Okay, it's loading. So this data is appearing, right? Sample test. It will not appear for you. So if it's not appearing here, that means you have created incorrect notebook. Only if you go to competition page and create notebook, then only this data will appear. Otherwise, it will not appear. Okay.
Sir.
So the notebook name is here. You have to keep your notebook name like whatever your roll number is, right? Let's say 21F, I don't know, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. Notebook name. First is your roll number. Then you should provide, okay, 1 dash notebook, and then T2 2024. Okay. So like dash T notebook dash T2 2024. Everything should be in small case. Yes, right. Everything should be in small case. Okay, lowercase.
Sir, sorry to
Hello,
interrupt.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the first assignment where we have to submit our username of Kaggle username,
Yes.
it has in the note it is mentioned that we have to use the POD roll number as a team name.
That's okay. Team name
So-
is different. Yes, team name you have to do it. Yes.
So can you please show us
how
where
to
yeah,
do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, that will be possible when you do submit to the competition, right? Then only it is possible. So let me show you.
So I think if you go back to the competition page, in there
No,
there'll
no.
be like a Teams tab.
Yes, sir. There is a team.
Okay,
There's
you
a
can
Teams tab in the
set it.
competition page.
So this team, okay, team, yes. Here you have to provide your roll number. Okay, whatever, right? Something like this is how you will and save the changes.
How did you get this place?
This link, this Kaggle competition link, and whenever you go, this thing will appear. So you have to go to this tab, team tab.
Okay.
Okay, I think for you it will be something different. Like few of the things will not appear for you. Like 4 5 tabs will be there, but team will be there, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir. Team is there. Sir, is it case sensitive?
No, works. Like I think there is no problem with case here.
And it is not the team name that we have to submit here in this assignment, right?
In assignment, you don't have to submit. Here, you have to keep your team name in this point. So what happens now? See, I'll show you. Whenever you create this leaderboard is like this, right? So this is a person who submitted this. Okay, and if you see this guy, Devil's Eye, I mean, I don't know who is this. So how will I say that he correctly completed this? So that's what your team name is required to see the leaderboard ranking. So your ranking will be there. Like this is the first person, this is second, third. I think this both of them are first, but he submitted first. I mean, order wise.
How is the ranking is decided?
How ranking is decided based on score.
Yeah.
So every person is a team here, sir. Is
Every person is a team. Yes.
So the same like our roll number only is the team name, right?
Yes.
Sir, is this ranking will affect CGPA, MGPA of the course?
Yes. So the course, your final score will be computed with somewhere it will be there.
Sir,
Like
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
There it is written that we have to submit, means we have to do 5 submission daily. So what does that mean?
No, you can only submit 5 in a day.
Okay, so what does that mean?
That means after 5, you can't submit any other changes.
Means in a day I can submit 5, or in the whole project
In a
submission I
day.
can.
No, in a day you can submit 5.
Okay,
So
submission means notebook submission, no sir?
Yes. So if I click the submit button here, then I'll get some score here. Okay. Let's say I want to improvise it, I can improvise, and if I submit again, then that will be like 2 count. So in a day, I can only do twice. Sorry, five times. In a day, I can do 5 times.
But is it necessary to submit daily?
No, it's not necessary.
Okay, sir.
But if you lose, like, I mean, see, this 5. Let's say any day you want 7, then that doesn't gonna happen.
Sir,
So
my doubt is, sir, that if you have not completed the whole project, then why would I submit the notebooks? This is what I want to ask.
because see, once you will complete this, you will have some score here. Okay, the submission is not submission. This is a submission to the leaderboard. So your ranking will appear. Let's say you want to improvise your ranking. Then what will you do? You will
Means some part of the coding I have done, then I can submit it, and then I can see my score.
yes, if model is there, if any model is there, like just EDA will not show you any score.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
Because you need to submit a sample, a test file, right? Test case, which will be used to compute the score. A CSV file will be required.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Like, do we have to write some text also in the notebook, or we have to do only the coding? And that
You
will
have to write everything. No, you have to write some comments. You have to write markdown file, like in markdown cell. You have to write what you are going to do, what you are doing, because
that we have to explain, right?
yes, you have to explain. Plus, it should be written because you are going to present this notebook later on to Viva person.
Mean this will affect on our score or whatever.
Yes, it will affect.
Okay, thank you.
Do we need to create this Kaggle account with our IT Madras ID, or can we create it using our personal ID?
Any Kaggle will work. We just need your username and you can join the this. Like earlier, this point is here, but you can kind of ignore it. I mean, any Kaggle account will work. No problem with that.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, I have actually taken MLP and MLP project for the first time, sir.
Okay.
And sir, I want to complete both of these in this term only. So, what would be the advice for me, sir? Like, how should I proceed? Like, lot of things required in the project. These are new for me, sir. So, what can I do?
Okay, so for MLP project, you need to watch few things like EDA part. If you know, then you can do that. Then you can start building models. Like it won't be that difficult. EDA is little bit you have to learn from somewhere, like from our portal, YouTube, books, anything you can use. You can learn EDA part, how to clean the data basically. Then building model will come later. Right, so you can do that. Building model won't be difficult for you.
Sir, till which week will we should complete so that we will be able to do all these things?
Week 4.
Week 4.
In
After week
our
4.
course, week 4, but I think the data cleaning which is explained in our course is little bit shallow. Like it's not too deep.
Okay.
I mean, you need to go little bit far more into EDA than given in the course. So you need to do little bit of research kind of thing, you can say.
Can you suggest, sir, somewhere from where we can do that?
Somewhere I can suggest. I'm not sure. I think that is one guy, Krish Nayak. Another is Code Basics. You can go, and there is one Hindi person who express in Hindi.
Okay, sir.
You can search for it. Like there are people who does it. Okay, EDA they explain. You can go. So that those are YouTube things. If you are following, like you can try any research paper as well. Let's say anything extra they are doing, new thing they are doing. You can try that.
And during the course of the project, sir, if we have any doubt, like that, we'll be having meetings, sir, or we can communicate. How can we communicate for doubts?
There will be there will be this session, like weekly session will be there on Thursday, 7 to 8.
7 to 8, yeah.
Yes, on and on. So from maybe next week or after that, there will be TA sessions. Almost every day, like not every day, but almost every day.
So we can join and ask the questions, or like.
Yeah, you can join and ask the question. Yes.
But why have I not posted in the calendar?
Yeah.
What?
Why you have not posted MLP project schedule on the calendar?
Because it's
There was
not.
an email has come. So
Sir?
every chance the people will miss it. So
Yes, yes. So
any
it's
other
not
session,
big.
please.
Like
any other session, it would be good if you post it in the calendar.
Okay.
Sir, and in the data set they given, like we are given train set and test set and sample. Is that we should use only the train set for for building our model, or we can use three? Like how will the accuracy will be calculated, sir?
Using test set.
Okay, so we should train our model using the train data set only, and we should submit our submission, sir.
In test set there is no label.
Okay.
So you need to just submit your labels accordingly, and there is a real label available with us, which will help in computing the score.
Okay,
Sir. Yes.
So this notebook, how you have generated? You said if you are in the right notebook, we'll be able to see that. How do we get?
What you need to see?
The notebook, which Jupyter notebook, which we should submit actually, which we
This
have
one.
used for coding.
So you have to go to this page, and in code you have to create a notebook. Something like this. Okay. So yeah, one thing I forgot. You have to share the notebook, not public. Okay. Don't make public your notebook. Keep it private, and you have to share it with this ID ITMBS CS200. I think it is mentioned. This is mentioned. This is mentioned.
Sir, I just had a question regarding the notebook. So once I make the official submission, am I allowed to edit it? Because it's the same name,
Yes.
right?
Yes, you can edit it till the deadline, so there won't be any problem. You can edit it. Yes.
Okay.
Submission is, see, I think there are many issues you are asking. I'll just make one submission, and then I think your issues will be resolved. You'll understand why I am asking, why there are multiple submission available and in there. So one thing you have to do is, when you create a notebook, or keep your notebook like name like this, your roll number dash notebook dash T2 2024, right? T2 2024, as asked in this, right? As asked in this.
Actually, sir, in the guidelines, it is saying you create an account, new Kaggle account using our student ID. Yeah, here you can see that mandatory. So do we have to create? Actually, I just had created
No,
another.
that's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Okay. So important is the username.
Yes.
Sir. Yeah. Sir, how will we know that we have completed it correctly? We have submitted it correctly. Is there any
your name will appear in leaderboard, otherwise it will not appear.
No, sir. There was a thing now where we have to submit our notebook, and we have to submit our username. So how will we haven't made any mistake? Is there any way to know that?
There is no way actually, but what are the chances you will make a mistake? Like, see,
No,
roll
no.
number dash notebook. This is the format you require.
Right, sir.
I mean, how? I don't know where you can make mistake.
No, sir.
But
There
there
was
is no way. There is no way.
in,
Like currently, there is no way. And this is your user.
because sir, in discourse, I have seen many people who have said, "Ki I have done this mistake." That's why I am asking.
But you can edit it, right? Till now, you can edit it. Like currently, let's say if I write something, I submit answer. Okay, you are submitting it. Fine. I can still edit it, right? See, I can now write the correct one. So what's the point? What's the problem then?
So there is no problem. I have submitted it. I am just asking because I have seen this issue on discourse.
Okay,
That's
I'm not sure. Like there is no way. I think there is no.
Okay.
Manoj,
Yes.
hello. Can I take it?
Yeah.
Can I take this question? Yeah. So what you have to do is that after a certain period of time, we will share you the registration status sheet. Okay.
Bala?
And in registration status sheet. Okay. So in that sheet, it will be
Hello?
mentioned that whether you're
Amala.
Okay. There anyone who is talking?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Less than implicit. Implicit less than, yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, after a few days, like once this deadlines, username submission deadline is over, we'll share a registration status sheet with all of you, where you can see your registration status. Whether you are in that sheet, everything will be mentioned. Whether your username is correct or not, your team name is correct or not, and if everything is correct, whether you are eligible for a level 1 Vivas or not. Okay, so that will be there. Okay. And apart from this, also, if you see on the portal will, I mean, at the beginning only, it will say that your username is correct or not, or your notebook name is correct or and it is accessible or not. Okay. So that will be there.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Manoj, please
Hello.
continue.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, do we have to submit the milestone assignments in the notebook?
No, it's not in notebook. Milestones will be in the portal, Seek portal.
No, the questions
No.
made in the milestone, so that we have to perform in the
Yes,
notebook.
you have to perform that in the notebook. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, how to submit milestone?
Submit milestone. So there will be questions on the portal. Okay. I think
Where, sir? Where is in the portal?
Okay, so this is the portal. This is the milestone. Okay, so this is milestone 1. These are the questions you have to submit. That is milestone. So you can say it's a graded assignment. That's all.
Sir, actually, this is not in my portal. This is not in my dashboard.
Do you have this link?
Which one, sir?
This link 24T2C, the Seek portal, right? What you call the Seek.online? Yes, Seek.online degree. Do you have this link?
Sir, can you share that link in chat?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, somebody did.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, actually, if you go to...
in my portal, sir.
Like we are getting a Viva booking page actually. If we go through our dashboard, in the dashboard we have my current projects. So when we click through there, we are getting this Viva booking page. So do we have to do there anything, sir, or it's okay?
No, it's a later on. Like first you complete this registration process. Okay. So
yeah,
see this registration process is there. Register it, make submission, cross the cutoff. Then you will go for level. Then you can book the Viva.
Understood. Got it. So till then we can use this link, Seek portal link.
Yeah, Seek portal link is the one you have to use it. So make your first submission, like not first submission, make your submission, create a notebook, cross the cutoff, create a good notebook which has EDA, graphs, plots, and all. Then you applied like I guess at least three models should be there in your notebook present. Then it's a like valid notebook. then you can go for a Viva.
Understood. Okay.
Sir, it is not mandatory to follow the milestone.
It is mandatory. We
But
see the count of milestone, how many milestones you submitted.
no, but we can do our Viva before the deadline, right?
So
You
my
can
dashboard is still accessible.
yes, you can do that.
Then how will we?
That means you have completed milestones, right? So milestone, don't worry, all the milestones will be released later on, at once.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
my dashboard is not accessible right now. Since the beginning of the course, I have been sending mail to the support, but the no resolution has been done from their side.
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute.
It's showing
Uh,
forbidden.
okay.
So neither do I have the link, and I had no clue that what is going on. Whenever I
Just
am just opening,
refresh.
it is
Okay,
just
okay, okay.
forbidden content.
I'm assuming this issue you might be facing on the Viva
Seek
booking portal, right? Or Seek
No,
portal,
seek
which
portal.
What?
so you are facing this issue on Viva booking portal or Seek portal?
I'm fetching on my current projects when I'm opening the MLP project.
Yeah. So in
It is
MLP
not
project,
permitting
are
me
you
to
trying? Yeah. So are you trying to open this MLP project Viva booking portal? If you are trying that, so last few days it was not accessible at all for everyone. Okay. So what I am suggesting you is to just refresh the hard, just do the hard refresh and try out again. Okay. Try out, just again try to open that link. I hope that will work. Okay.
Yeah, I had
And
tried all the. This was suggested by the support team. I had sent the recording of screen recording also.
okay, okay. So in the previous session, we would have shared you the link. I mean, so we had only discussed about the Seek portal link.
So, I mean, what is the difference between the Seek portal link and the actual portal dashboard?
So see, there are two things. Okay, Seek portal link is there where you will submit your milestone username and this one notebook name. Okay, it's a kind of assignment whatever is there. No? So it will be on the Seek portal, but on the this one, what I was talking about is this MLB Viva portal. Here, here you will see the progress and all. Like you have to give your username and notebook name, and then from here can book your Vivas, 11 Vivas. You can see the 11 Viva mark. You can book L2 Viva. You can see L2 Viva marks. It will be like that. So
So
basically, the difference. Yeah.
you are referring the Viva portal to that actual dashboard that we go through the my current project section.
Okay. So if you see that, I mean, if you click on that link, no, which you have already got, so that link will refer you to this project portal only, like Viva booking portal.
Also, this was available on the my project section if I would have logged in successfully. Or
hey,
where
sir, I think he's talking about this document. This document is the grading document, right? This was given to us in mail itself. You can search in your mail as a grading document. Then you will see May term grading document was sent to us through mail. If you are talking about this document, which sir is presenting right now.
Oh no, I'm not talking about this actually. I'm not able to at all log in there. Log into the actual
Okay.
dashboard.
Okay. Just share your screen first.
Okay, just wait. Actually, I'm not with my
So
PC.
Sivani, you have to share your notebook with us since the beginning, because
So I'm
see,
logging in with my PC and I will share the screen.
okay. So okay, so this one you are able to access, right? Hello.
That
Okay, you
Seek
just share your
portal
screen.
link.
Okay, so you just share your link. Share your screen first. Okay.
Just a minute, just 2 minutes.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Hello.
So the link you have provided us, this Seek portal link, we can access the Seek portal from this link by clicking this link. but otherwise from dashboard we can access these page like
Okay, okay,
this
okay, okay,
see
okay.
portal from dashboard I want to access.
Okay, okay. We will check it with the team and we will let you know. I mean, they will share you the link for this also. I mean, somewhere
Sir,
they will share it.
are we recording this session, sir? Can we access this later?
Yeah. So,
Where will the
Manoj,
link be shared?
Manoj,
Where will
we are recording it.
Yeah, it's recorded.
Yeah,
where
yeah,
will the link be
we,
shared? Where will the link be
so
shared, sir?
MLP course YouTube link you have seen, no?
Theory is there.
MLP.
Theory is there.
Yeah, theory. So in that channel only you will see this playlist of this MLP playlist of MLP project also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, I have
Yeah,
a doubt regarding that EDA part. So whatever is present in the portal, that much I have watched the content, but it is not really helping with our data set. And also, sir, when I saw the Kaggle leaderboard, so it is somewhere already around 0.959 in accuracy. So how to compete with that that
so see,
accuracy?
there are two things in the project. See, first is the EDA part, and second thing is your modeling part. Okay, so in EDA part, see, it is. I mean, see, what you have to do is that you have to be like a detective. I mean, you have to.
Sanket, can you please mute yourself?
Just mute.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, just let me. Okay. Okay. Let me complete this question.
Okay, sir.
To just behave like a detective, and you just have
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Your voice is not
the
clear.
patterns in the data set.
Okay.
Hello. What about
Now
now?
it is clear. Now it is clear.
Okay, okay. So what you have to do is that you have to explore the data set, and if in case if you find any pattern or any useful pattern or any good insights that you have to mention. And after this, what you have to do is that whatever you will learn in MLP course, no, in case if you are doing this
Yes,
along
sir.
with
I
the
have
project, no.
taken the course and the project
Yeah, yeah.
same.
So ideally, we do not suggest this. Okay, you can see in the guideline also, because this way you will pass the project, but you won't be able to perform well. So that's the thing, because like course and project are not in sync. So what still if you have taken it, no, then what I would suggest you to, I mean, just go through this. I mean, just go through the course, and whenever you are learning, so you might you will see different models. So what you have to do is that you have to try out different models, and you have to see like how your model is performing. In case, let's say you tried out logistic regression model. Okay, so that is one of the, I mean, basic model. So you will get some score. Okay, and then what you have to do is that you have to maybe you can see some other models also. Okay, and you can try out different models, and you can see whether it is improving or not. And after that, you can also do the hyperparameter tuning and different pre-processing technique. Okay, so for example, there would be, I mean, n number of pre-processing technique available on the internet. Okay, so you just try out those things on your data set and see whether it is helping you to improve your score or not. If it is helping you, that is well and good. Otherwise, just ignore those things. Okay, so
Okay.
that's how you have to progress.
Sir, as sir suggested previously about like research paper or some external resources. So if there is like some which is because whatever sir has taught in our videos in the course, it is he deals with largely numerical data. But in our project, our data is almost like except a few columns, mostly it is categorical data. So,
Correct, correct.
how to get some insights on like some specific columns like modus operandi? Sir, when I am trying to do it, I am completely confused about how to go with it. So, those part, if it is possible to give us some resources where we can actually understand how to do it. So that would help. Yeah, फिर taking some project session where you can guide us through some other data set which maybe will be helpful for us.
Yeah, so some resources, but try. So I'll tell you. Yeah, okay, okay. So what I would suggest you, okay, we will. If that is the case, then we can share it. But what I would suggest you, ideally, what you have to do is that just see we have shared the competition. So it is a kind of multi-class classification data set, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So on Kaggle, search different multi-class classification data set. There you will see the data set also. You will see the solutions also. Just go through their notebook. Okay, just go through their notebook and see what they are trying out. Okay. So
Okay,
I mean,
sir.
you will see n number of notebooks. You will see like how they are doing the pre-processing. So what all things they are doing, and just try to replicate that. I mean, just try to do similar thing on your data set. Whether that helps you to improve your score or to get some good insights or not. Okay, if it is helping you to getting some good insights, that is well and good, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. I
Uh,
did not think about this. Yeah, I will try this out.
yeah.
And
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, Manoj, you can
Hello,
continue.
sir.
Sir,
Just asking about the three models we need to implement it in the notebook. Like, what kind of three models? They should be totally different, or using one algorithm, we can just tune in the hyperparameters and make the three different models.
No, no. Any three different models which should be like particularly very different, like let's say decision tree, KNN, and logistic or something like that. Not trained models like uh, same trained models on different parameters. That won't work. So
Okay.
what you have to do is you have to, let's say you train three models. The best, you have to choose best for the submission. The submission will be done using one model only. The rest two, you have to just keep it in the notebook as part of, you know, insurance to us that you have done the work.
Okay, fine, sir.
Sir, I
So that
wanted to just ask.
you have
Can you share
told
your
us.
Okay. See, guys, I'll okay. So now I'll show you how to make the first submission. Okay. We'll take rest of the question after that. So first submission, how to make it. So if you have Kaggle account, you can do it now, or you can do it later. Watch the video; it will be on YouTube. Okay, you can do that also. So one thing you have to do is you have to share this notebook with us. So sharing option will be here, like share. Private, keep it private, don't make it public, because there will be plagiarism checking, and if you have made your notebook public and somebody steal your code, that's on you. Like so keep it private. In collaborator you have to search this thing. Okay, I think this will come, or if that doesn't appear, you can search I
so it comes, sir. It comes.
it comes, right? So yeah, so something like you have to share it somewhere. The instruction is given in this. Okay.
At the end of the guidelines, I think.
So
Yes,
there
yes,
is search collaborators. We can search it over there, and then we
yes,
can add it.
yes. So search the collaborator, add me. Okay, so add this is the admin account, that's why you have to add. Otherwise we can't see your code, we don't know what you have done. Okay, we want to see your code, otherwise it's all black box. So that thing you have to save it. Okay, now how to make your first submission. So I'll session is off. Okay, I'll start the session. Okay. uh, so what you have to do is okay, one thing I'll explain now. If you were able to understand, that's okay. Since you won't have any labels given in test set, you need to find you want to see how much good your model is, right? So that's why we create a validation set. So there are three set. Generally we have train set, validation set, and test set. So test set is given to you. Well, train set is given to you, but validation set is not given to you. So what you can do is sorry, what you can do is from train set create uh, a small sample of it. Okay, so take out one portion of it, make it a validation set. So basically this both thing are train set only. It's just a portion of it is a validation set, uh, and that portion is extracted from training set. Okay, so that's what you have to do it. So to do train test split, you have to import that. from sklearn dot model selection. I'll import this. Select. Okay, and run this. See, this is now. I just copy this. It's this one. This is just a syntax. Okay, if you don't get it, don't worry. Like later on, it will be taught in the course. So what I'm doing is, this is the module I imported from the sklearn. I'm giving x. I have to give x. I don't have x yet. I'll show you what is x and y. Even I forgot. I mean, so then we'll have x train, x test, y train, and y test. But in our case, we have test set. What I want is validation set. So I'll just write as x well or something. Okay. Y well, something like this you can write. Now we need x and y. So first I need to import the data. So to import the data, I think I need to import the pandas. So pandas and numpy will be imported here. I'll write train df equal to pd dot read csv, and this is my train set. I'll need to copy the path. Okay, same thing as this one. Okay, then okay, let's see how train df looks like. Syntax error. Oh, I understood. This should be in as a string. So this is a data set. This is how data set looks like. Location, cross street, latitude, longitude.
Sir, this data set is provided to us?
Yes. This data set, the competition is.
Okay.
So if you couldn't able to see any data set appearing in input, so this input, you can see the input part, right? It's appearing. So if you don't see this data set, this part, then that means you have incorrectly created the notebook. You have to go to the competition and create the notebook. Okay, that's mandatory. So this is how my data set looks like. The task is predict the crime category. Okay, so what kind of crimes are happening? So I mean, now you can understand that is going to be y, right? That is label. So x is rest of it. So I'll take train df. I want rest of the column, but not the label one. So I'll write like drop is a function to remove a column. Okay, so the column I want to remove is crime category. Just copy this and I'll give axis. So I need to give axis, like what it is, row or column. I can give column. I can give 1, 2, 0 or 1 as well. So both things are somebody use integers 0 and 1, and there is another thing column also you can use. Okay, and y is going to be train df, and that column itself. So the column crime category itself is becoming white now. Okay, so that's how I'm maybe column. That's his main column.
Axis would be 1.
Yeah, that works. Yeah, columns. It should be columns. So now you can see in X. I think there is, after a status description, there is no column. Yes, right. So if you see here, this is the status description. This is second last column. Now, since I excluded the last column, it's not there, right? In X. Same thing with Y. If I show you Y, okay, all the labels are there. Okay. Now I want to do this train test split X validation and Y validation with train set. So now I'll have train set, validation set, and test set. Correct. So
Sir,
now
when to do the splitting, sir, before pre-processing step or after pre-processing step?
before pre-processing. Okay. Before pre-processing. So now I have this. Now what I can do is I'll let's say from sklearn dot pre-processing code label encoder. Okay, so I'm just importing label encoder. Don't worry, like you don't do it. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make labels as numbers. Okay. I think without number as well it will work. Wait. So first submission is you have to submit a dummy thing. Okay, just a dummy classifier. So to submit the dummy classifier, what you need to do is
So do we have to make this submission in order to complete the registration, or do
yes.
we have to just submit the
No,
name and the
you
total
have
name?
to submit this. So you have to make your first submission. This first submission is there, right? I haven't made any submission, so my name will not be there in leaderboard. If I show you the leaderboard,
Still, the process is made very
What is
complex.
the timeline for
Why
this, sir?
it should
To
have
make
been
this
for
very
what
submission?
simple, like all other subjects. Some
this
milestones.
you can make submission.
Yeah.
Submission is you can make it, I guess, 23. Okay. When this assignment, no, sorry, not this. When you do this assignment.
Okay.
Along with this, okay, so 20.
Okay.
20 is the
Sir, where did the link came from?
which link?
That to see code, where you opened that link. That
Seek portal link. Okay, somebody will share it in the chat. Please give him in the chat.
So,
Uh,
should I not share my screen now?
no, wait, I need to complete this submission. No, you have to submit this. So I'm importing a model which is called dummy. So for now I'm making a dummy submission. Okay, so which is dummy means it's just a it's actually not a model, but it helps in creating the model. Okay, so let's say my model is this class. I'm creating object of this. I need to select strategy. So strategies are most frequent, prior, stratified, uniform, constant, something like that. So I'll use most frequent. Okay, so this is just a dummy. So what will happen is after the model is trained, whatever the most frequent value is, you'll always get that as a prediction. I mean that is totally incorrect, totally incorrect. But that's why this is the dummy. Okay, this is not a smart model. You have to create the smart models like lean logistic regression, KNN classifier. Then I don't know what not you can create later on, right? So I need to fit X train comma Y train. So this is how fitting works. Fitting means I'm training the model. Okay, I'll train the model. So my model is trained. I don't need to change my Y's to labels. Okay, I haven't done it. I skipped it. So don't worry. Like in this dummy classifier, it's not required. Dummy classifier, you can you can do anything with them because I mean, like you don't even require cleaning part or anything. So if you don't know how to do cleaning and all EDA part, you can make your first submission at least, right? So because first submission is very important. Now what I'll do is let's do so what I can do is model if I want to make a prediction, right? So model dot predict. Let's say I want to predict anything from validation set, like let's say think this will work.
No, sir, you have to select a row.
Dot, what happens? I lock 0 0 as row. Okay, so now what did I miss? Oh, okay, something. So some predictions are wait a minute. So let's say if I have this, that means I have locations, cross street, weapon status description. Okay, I have this property time. Why is it coming this many times? I am predicting. Okay. So this is thing. So this is my first row of validation set. Let's see what prediction I'm getting from.
Sorry, I think it was because you had put 0 comma and then :1. So it was predicting the outcome for all of the rows. Should be fine now.
Yes. So now it's fine, right? So now it's doing it's giving one prediction only. So this is how you'll have the predictions or something like that. Okay. What now I have to do is I have to do same thing with so let's see what is submission file, because submission, this is sample is the way my submission should be there. Okay, that's why the sample is given. So I'll sample to pd dot read csv, copy the path, to give that sample dot, let's see how it looks like. So crime against person. So this all are crimes in this. Jimmy, I think this extra column is a mistake, right?
Hello. Didn't get you. Sorry.
This
Yeah.
extra
So yeah,
right?
yeah,
I
that
mean,
should not be
shouldn't
there.
be there.
Yeah,
Otherwise, the submission will
yeah,
get.
that should not be there. Right, right. That should not be there.
Okay. So we will remove this part. This unnamed column will be removed. It should be removed. So for now, what I'll do is I'll show you how to make the submission. So to make the submission, I need to download the test set. So it will only contain X test. Okay, so I'll just write X test. It will not contain any labels. I'll show you. pd dot read csv again, and we have X test dot add. So this is how my test setup is. So see this status description, and later on there is no classes. So why won't be given to you? Okay, but you need to predict for all of them, and so that is going to be a submission. So your submission should look like this. Okay, one is ID column, another is crime category. So that two only required, but since I have this, I need to create this column unnamed two. I'll see how to create that. I'm not sure, but
So in this first submission, when we do for the registration thing, we have to do some sort of model training on it.
yes. So that's why this dummy model is there.
Okay, it's not like we can just upload some random like a variable and then it'll count as a registration.
Yes. So
Okay.
okay. So to make the submission, you have to write this. Okay. So pd.data frame. Currently, our column name is crime category. I'll give that name here. By prediction. So yes.
Where did you make the submission?
I haven't made the submission. I have to create this submission dot to CSV. Okay, so the CSV file is required to make the submission.
CSV file is
So I need to generate it. But first, see, so submission will contain all the predictions, right? So see, one prediction was looking like this property crimes, right? So I mean all the submission will look like that only. Don't worry. So what I have to do is this thing
you'll do the submission from Kaggle or from portal?
from Kaggle. Everything is in portal. Sorry, in Kaggle. Okay. So
Okay.
X.
But there are something asked in the portal also, no?
So
Whether
that's
you have
okay.
done this
Okay.
one or that one.
Don't
This
worry.
type.
Okay, don't worry. We'll go there later. Okay. So for now, focus on this. Focus on this. I'm doing because if you miss this, then there'll be issues. Okay, so focus.
Got
So
it.
I have created Y prediction. Which is this. Now I have this crime category, which will go there. So I am creating ID. What I need to do is I need to see how many extrain dot shape. Sorry, X test dot shape to create this thing. So we have 5,000. 5,000. And start from 1. I need to create this column and I will do that. Then it should be inside the it should be for now I'm regenerating because that's how other submission will not happen. I need to np dot nan 5,000 star. Sorry. Yes. Still the same thing. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure, but I'm generating this. I think I can put anything. Okay. have this submission dot csv. So see, currently what I'm doing is I'm creating data frame which contains these 3 columns, which should look identical to the to the sample file. Okay, and then I have this submission dot to csv will convert my data frame to a csv file. So this is just a data frame submission. So this dot csv is a csv file. Okay, so that's what I am going to do.
Sir, I don't think we need to create an unnamed column because like
All
I have submitted with 2 columns only, ID and
it worked.
category.
It worked?
Yes, sir. It worked with 2 columns. I guess third column is like there is some mistake in sample.csv.
Sir, that np.arrange for the 5000 one.
What? It's not required.
No, I was just saying that it should be 5001 instead of just 5000.
Okay. So see, if you see output, in output there will be a submission.csv. It will not appear without this. Okay, you need to run this .to csv, otherwise it will not have the submission csv file here. Now since I have this, I can submit it. So okay, I'm submitting it. My version is this. You can write anything. It's just optional thing. Okay, nothing you have to change here. So notebook name will automatically appear here if you change it in the top. Okay, it just versions and all thing. This is all. So this is the submission part. You have done the submission. So we'll see that if it shows successful, then that means it's complete. And if I show you that leaderboard, I think I change it. I think or no, team members. Yeah, see, submission is being made by IITMPS. So this is my team name, 24 seconds ago. Okay, so jump to the leaderboard position. I can.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. For the first time only, we need to submit with the dummy classifier. Then
Yes.
at the later stage, we can just remove all the things which we have done for the first time, and then we can actually do our modeling and then submit it.
Yes. So your name should appear in the leaderboard. That is the only requirement. Okay. Your name, your roll number. This roll number should appear in the leaderboard. That is the only requirement.
Got it.
Okay.
By when we should do this, sir, the submission?
As soon as possible.
Sir, how are we getting data? Sir, right now I have not started this.
So data it will be automatically. So this is a competition data. If you see this competition inside that, this 3 files will be there. If it's not appearing to you, that means you haven't created notebook correctly. You have to go to the competition link, go to this page and go to the code tab, and then create a notebook. Then only this will appear, this data set. Otherwise,
so where is competition link?
Competition link is in this guideline. So this is a competition link.
Okay.
You have the guideline, right? If you don't have guideline, then go to portal.
Okay, sir. I'm fine. Thank you.
So when after making the dummy submission, we can create a new notebook and then submit the actual
No.
submission, sir.
This is the actual submission. You have to edit this notebook only.
So when we make the real prediction,
Yes.
then this notebook cannot be used.
No, this notebook you have to use. You have to remove the things. You have to edit this notebook. Basically, this is the project template. Now you can make it more finer as period of time, right? So what you'll do is you'll edit it. You remove something. You'll add few more things, but you don't create another notebook. That's not necessary. That's not even correct way. So you have to use this notebook only to make the final submission. And to make.
Can I make more notebooks?
No. You can make more notebooks, but that won't be valid. We'll only consider the notebook which has this name.
So this dummy notebook can be shared, sir, for us now.
Yes, you can have that.
Sir,
So
where to edit the
Sir,
name of notebook? Only
so
on
what I'll do is
show the
I'll
notebook
make it public,
once
but
again.
for you that option is not there. Okay, so don't make it public.
Sir, how to edit the name of notebook?
How to edit? Go click on that and the option will be there.
Sir, could you show the notebook
Not option,
once
but you can
again?
edit.
Sir, team name should be roll number.
Yes.
Okay.
Team name should be roll number.
Excuse me, sir. Should we have to delete the dummy classifier after doing the submission, or can we build on three models below that?
Uh, sorry, can you repeat? Sorry.
After doing the first submission, should we have to delete the dummy classifier which we used,
Yes.
or
Yes, you have to delete it.
Sorry.
okay?
Just for the submission. So since many of you don't know how to create any valid, like valid means any proper model, logistic regression KNN, we take this dummy as your first submission, okay, to so that you are participating in the competition.
Okay, so then we delete it and do another three models.
Yes, yes. So you have to this is a template. Now you have to make it much finer.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And the three models will be one below the other like that, sir.
It can be anywhere, no problem with that.
Maybe that when we come to that, we can ask that question, I think so, or like when
Okay.
we are actually
Sure,
making
sure.
understood.
Sir, I just want to ask, the dummy classifier is the baseline model, right? That's actually coming under milestone 2. So is that something separate?
Dummy classifier comes under, sorry.
Baseline model, right? So
Yes.
that is actually under milestone 2. So, but you said we can submit now with the dummy classifier.
Yes.
It hasn't come in the Seek portal. It's mentioned in the guidelines.
So what's the problem? I mean,
No, I just was confused because if that comes under milestone 2, shouldn't milestone 1 be completed before milestone 2?
that's okay.
Pre-processing,
That's okay.
yeah,
I think it's not there in milestone 2. I'm not sure, but
it's that, sir. Yeah.
but for me there is no milestone 2.
No, not in the Seek portal, sir. In the document, it's mentioned with the dates.
Oh, the dummy submission.
Yeah, building baseline model.
Okay, this part. Okay, you can ignore it. That's okay.
Yeah.
Make your first submission. Okay. Building any model. Actually, building baseline model is it's true that it's a dummy only, but you can actually build any model. That is also fine.
Sir, we have to create a. Sir, could you please show the notebook once again?
So can you see this link? This link will contain all the code. Okay. You can open that. You can go there. I mean, I can't. I can show you the code, but I can't keep the screen on, I think.
Okay. Thank you.
So go to this. I'll paste it this, I think.
So, I wanted to ask a question about the team name. So it's mentioned that we have to keep the team name as a roll number, but how do we edit that?
So when you open the competition, this team tab will appear.
Yeah. Okay.
Change this and save the changes.
All right.
Roll number.
Thank you.
Sir, we have to make three models in same notebook or different notebook?
In same notebook.
Acha.
Everything will be in same notebook. Only one notebook. Only one submission. One notebook will be there. I mean, submission is different, but only one notebook will be there. Okay.
Sir, or how can we choose best model?
Based on your accuracy or whatever parameter, precision, recall, whatever you use, that's how you have to pick the one. Evaluation matrix.
So what is the cutoff we have to clear for our Viva?
Sorry?
So what is the cutoff we have to clear for our Viva?
So cutoff is 0.80. 0.80 score can go to Viva. L1 Viva they can go to, but for L2 Viva you need to clear the L1 Viva. In L1 Viva your notebook should be should contains all of this thing required things. Okay, like the 3 models, EDA should be done, everything. So they will take your level 1 Viva, then only you can go to level 2.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one doubt. In when we are doing the submission, you added a CSV file that is mandatory to do the submission.
Yes, I haven't added anything in this. You have to generate the CSV. This CSV you have to generate it.
Okay. So we have to generate the CSV and then only make the submission, correct?
Yes. So for CSV generation, this code is there. You can refer this. The link I shared in the chat.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can write the
Okay.
same thing. That's also okay. No God.
Okay. Okay.
So in this submission.csv is your predictions actually, and based on that the score is created, right, sir?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I just share the screen now? I just do.
So yeah, you can share it. What's the issue though?
I mean, every term, every term.
Sir, one question. My submission is failed. What does that mean? Is it not proper or?
Yes, that means see your CSV. If you open CL, it is no. I'm just sharing. Shall show you how submission.csv looks like. I mean, it will. Okay, let's.
Sir, what we can expect in level 1 Viva? It is like a quiz, directly asked questions.
Yes, they will ask you from the notebook. They'll ask you from MLT. They can ask you for MLP as well. So
Level 1 Viva, sir.
in level 1 Viva also same thing. They'll ask you. They'll not ask you MLT, but they'll ask you MLP and related to your notebook. Everything. It's you can say level 1 is your prep for level 2. Okay. So same thing. So
These are your predictions actually, correct, sir?
yes, these are my prediction, and your submission should look like this. So this should be 2 columns present there.
Okay.
And otherwise it won't take as a valid submission.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here you have classified what type of crime it is.
Yes, I have classified that. This is a dummy classification.
If there is some score and you are in leaderboard, that means you have submitted it correctly. So
Yes, you have submitted correctly. Your roll number should appear as a team name. Otherwise, I mean it's not a point. Change it also.
okay, sir. Thank you.
What is your score, sir, after submission?
It's 0.58 around something.
Okay. Yeah.
Where is
Same.
it?
It's a dummy submission. That's why.
It comes in the table?
It should come into the table.
It was on the top actually. As soon as you submitted there, it showed. You can go to the top.
Yeah, at top it was showing me. So
Yeah, here score
0.58, right?
Yeah, how do we find to improve? Why is it 0.58? What was
Because it's a dummy submission. You have to build better models.
But you wanted dummy submission only, no?
For now, I want it, yes, because I want you in the leaderboard. After you are in the leaderboard, you can improve the code.
No, but as long as you submit some dummy submission, your score will be around 0.6.
Yes.
Am I right?
So,
So the purpose is to get our names onto the leaderboard so that all of us are like registered kind of a thing.
Yes, yes.
And
You have
then
2 months. You have 2 months to build it better, like 1.5 months at least.
There will be only one score for all our work, what we are doing for the next.
No, it will keep on improving.
It will
Sir,
keep improving.
how high can it go, sir? 0.959 I can see. How high can it go?
It can go to 1.
Okay.
Yeah, the
So
leaders
we
is 0.95, I think so.
Yeah,
We can see.
you can say it's like a precision or accuracy or something like that. That is the score.
So can I share the screen now, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, I am not able to add this competition with my
Ah,
notebook.
Sir, is there anything you'll
why is
add,
that?
sir? Because an office meeting is there. Can we log off for some
Yeah,
important
yeah.
information you're
No,
sharing?
there is nothing else. You just need to do the submission and all.
Okay.
First submission is required, so that's why this session was there.
Okay.
Okay, and
Thanks a lot for all your
submit this
information.
assignment.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks a lot, sir, for your
Yeah.
patient answering. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. What is this?
So I just opened and it is showing this.
It's not opened yet. Okay, you can kind of ignore that. So first you need to create the notebook and all, right? Then only you will be able to do it.
So now I will have to just open that this link, and I'll have to do the stuff, and then I'll
Yes.
have to wait actually for that Viva book.
So you have to wait for the Viva cycle to be there. So there will be Viva cycle. I mean, you even though you are eligible for Viva, that doesn't mean you will get the Viva. First, there will be cycles in which Vivas happen. So whenever you will be there, you'll get the mail or something that join the. You can schedule the Viva. So something like that you'll get.
Okay, can you just get the estimate of that how the timeline would be? That I will be preparing the model for almost 1.5 month, and after that I will be giving the Viva.
Yes,
So where
not 1.5 month, but you can. I think after 1 month we'll start taking Vivas.
where is the timeline, sir?
Timeline. So for Vivas, it's
I
not
mean,
there.
how should I know that?
You'll get the mail. You'll get the mail. So how you will get the mail? You will see this leaderboard. That's why I'm saying this leaderboard will be there. So whenever you will be above 0.8, uh, will get the mail after 1 month or something. Okay, when Viva cycles will start.
Okay, and there should be some deadline, no? That the 20th is the deadline for first submission. So after that, to for my final submission, what is the deadline?
Uh, 31st of July.
Okay, so after that, the Vivas will be commencing, right?
July. Yeah, no. Before that, this is the last date of project submission. You can complete it before. So if you finish a project in the not this
Sir,
somewhere
there
in
is
like
extension batch also, right, sir?
Now,
no.
finish the project as in I am. So
Yes.
how to flag it to be finished? Actually, I didn't
How
understand.
how to flag? Okay, how do you know that it's finished?
How to flag it to be finished? I mean, how? Yeah.
Uh,
So I will be improving my
of course.
models.
Yes.
When I know that this is finished?
Level 2 Viva. When you will have the level 2 Viva, so level 2 Viva, you yourself have to schedule it. You will get the mail that you are eligible. So whenever you schedule that level 2 Viva, I'm ready to take the level 2 Viva, you'll take the level 2 Viva. After level 2 Viva, your scores will be fixed. I mean
Okay,
that's
so between level 1 Viva and level 2 Viva also I can improve my model.
yes, you can improve your model.
Okay, so in this timeline between I can take the Vivas whenever I want, right?
Yes.
Okay. And when is the starting date of
It's not yet decided.
the Viva taking dates?
It's not yet
Okay.
decided.
Okay.
Sir, I am not able to link competition with my Kaggle notebook. So
Why is that? Have you opened this link?
yeah, I have opened the link, sir. Can I
This link.
share?
Sure.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
So, do we have to complete all the data pre-processing, including encoding of the data and dummy classifier before 23 for the first milestone?
Uh, that's not necessary, but yes. So I mean, see, these milestones are there so that you complete as per this space. If you're left behind, that means you have to it will be difficult or something like that. So that's why these milestones are not graded assignment or anything. So we'll consider how many you submitted. Okay, that doesn't we are not saying that you should complete all of it. We are saying that submit it. Okay, so if you submit half of it, that is also considered as a valid submission. So I mean, it's not mandatory that you should complete all of the things before a deadline, but you should know that as milestones are completing, you look back at your own work, that how fast you are going. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. This
Sir,
whoever
sir,
that.
can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
So this
So
is a crime.
okay, go there.
This is the competition. And now what do I need to do?
Go into that. Open that.
Okay.
Now, yeah. Now go to the code.
Okay.
Create a notebook.
Okay. I had created this here.
No, that's not yours, I guess. Go to your work. Your work. So all no at bottom. Not that bottom. Sorry, not that.
So do I need to create inside the computation notebook?
Yes. If that is your notebook, then that is a valid notebook. No need to worry. Share it with us though. Share it with IITM BSCS 2008.
Okay, fine. Sir, I had created this here outside. So
No, that will not work.
Okay, that's not. Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, so you mentioned that after the Viva one, we are allowed to make more
Changes.
modifications to the code.
Yes.
So, yeah, that won't be like flagged or anything
No.
because it's not. Okay.
That won't be flag. Even we take level Viva for that reason only, so that you improvise your notebook and go to level 2.
Okay. So to qualify for level 1 and level 2, we have to get a score higher of that 0.8.
Yes, 0.8.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, do we have to do one pre-processing and train different models on them, or do we have to do different pre-processing for different
One
models?
pre-processing. One pre-processing is enough.
Okay, sir. And sir, doing that may not be one pre-processing for one model may not give same.
Yes, true. So in that case, you can do it. I mean, see, there is no restriction on doing pre-processing. You can do it. If it's required, you can do it. If it's not required, don't do it.
Sir,
Yes.
do we have to share notebook for every submission?
No. Once you have shared it, it's like shared with us. With every submission, it will be shared only. You have to use the shared notebook only. By the way, where are you?
Sir, can we submit the notebook without dummy regressor things done? Only name of the
Yes.
notebook can be shared?
No. Then you have to make it as a name. You will not appear in the leaderboard, right? So
No,
what's the
okay.
point? Yeah.
Sir, datasets is not coming. I have created the notebook, but
No.
datasets.
have you seen once somebody was sharing the screen? Have you seen that? You are
Yes, sir.
making the same mistake. Go to the competition link, then create the notebook.
If you did,
Is your notebook appearing in the competition?
No.
Then how will data will appear? You have to go to the competition link, then only create the notebook.
After creating the notebook, we edit the notebook.
Yes, you edit the notebook and share it also with us. Change the notebook name, share it with us, change the team name.
okay.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yeah, hello.
sir, my question
There
is,
are
if
there are
if
two links are there. One is the competition link and another one is the leaderboard link.
Yes,
Which one we should use it for creating the workbook?
competition link.
Then what we will do with the leaderboard link?
You see your rank there.
Okay, from that's a separate link we have to click it up.
No, you can go directly from Kaggle inside also, but it just we are given it.
Okay, but submission is from the workbook only, not from the leaderboard link. After that, we have to go to the leaderboard link and see our position. Is it?
Yes, yes.
Right. Okay.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes. Go ahead, Sudesh.
Sir, if my question is related to the data EDA, sir, EDA part.
Okay,
If the target is numerical and the
okay.
feature is also numerical, we will do correlation, sir. But here in this problem statements, target is categorical,
Okay.
and we have categorical features. Many categorical features are there,
Yes.
and to see best correlated, what is the procedure to see two correlated, two categorical correlation?
So then you have to use ANOVA. Uh, no ANOVA.
Yes, sir. I know a little bit about it.
That you have
ED.
to do either you do ANOVA or which one is there? Uh, so
To
so
select the
you can
best
do
features.
statistic. Yeah, yeah. You can go and do that like ANOVA or another thing for one column for like two comparing two columns. There is
Two
it's there.
categorical columns.
Yes, you can do that.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, now we have submitted the dummy notebook, right?
Yes.
So, do we need to share that notebook directly now with IITM?
Yes.
Okay, and the same notebook will be kept on improving, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Is it mandatory to draw the insights from the APA part or just visualize the data set?
Your voice I couldn't able to understand. I don't know. There is like. Okay, can you repeat, Akshaya?
From the EDA part, we have
I still, no, no, I
or
still couldn't able to comprehend it.
okay.
Can you write in the chat?
Sir, if we build three different models,
Yes.
which model results we have to submit?
Which model? You can submit any model.
But you said we have to make three models.
So any three models.
But the
Machine
result,
learning,
but the
ML
result,
model. Yes.
which model result we have to submit?
Any three models. You have to train the model and submit it.
We have to
Okay,
create three
which you have to
submission
submit?
lines.
Okay, any one of the three. Which one is better for you? Any one of the three.
So, will we have more of these sessions related to the project?
Yes, we will have it. We will have it every week.
Okay, so like because the calendar is not updated. Like, will you update it soon?
Yeah, it will be updated.
And I just wanted to ask, guys, can you please mute? Yeah, so I just wanted to ask if there is like a mentor session for the projects also.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
I think somebody
Yes.
is supposed to mute it. It's disturbing.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I just wanted to ask, like, will there be any like mentor help planned for
Yes,
this
yes.
MLP project?
Mentor will be there. Yes, mentors will be there.
Okay.
Yes. It.
So, is it started or we have to wait for it?
No, you have to wait for it. It's.
Okay, okay, sir.
So coming to the Seek portal, sir.
Yes.
This notebook part, you have helped us to do the submission.
Okay.
With the Seek portal, what are the things? First, we have to submit the assignment, and then go ahead. What are the steps here to be taken immediately?
Immediately on portal, Seek portal.
Yeah, Seek portal.
You have to submit the Kaggle username and notebook name, right? So to submit the notebook name, you need to create the notebook. I mean, you can either way give it, but you know the format, right? The notebook name should be like that only. And for submitting first milestone, you have to complete the things and submit it. It's just a yes and no type, but you can submit it.
So for the assignment, sir, if you see the Seek portal now, submit your user name on of Kaggle. That is there, no, sir.
Sorry, Kaggle?
In the assignment section of the Seek portal.
Yes.
First part is we have to just give the username.
Yes.
That's already. So since we have already submitted, I have submitted the notebook just now.
Yes.
Made the initial submission. We have to take the username from that notebook and.
Not that notebook. No. That is not username. See, username is your Kaggle username, right? Your Kaggle username will be in settings. So if you see the hint in that question, there will be a link given. Go to that link, and then you can see your this thing, Kaggle username. It's in the documentation as well. What you have to submit as a username.
So the
Not the
Kaggle
note.
Sir, can I share book?
Sure.
So the Kaggle username can be anything, right? There's no restriction, right?
No, there is no restriction. You can keep anything, username.
Excuse me, sir. Like about the Viva, there was a tentative schedule. I think there was a Viva planner mentioned in the grading document. Can we follow that? Like, is it going to be close to that date?
Yes, it's going to be close to that date.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, this is my notebook. Can you see this?
Yes.
Sir, the link or data link is not showing there. I have created the notebook name also, but
Can
data
you run the first cell? Run the first cell. I think it's the incorrect one. From where you have created this notebook?
I have created the notebook by going into the that link, and in that link after code, and then I created new notebook.
Okay, so run the first cell. If it's true, then three data set will appear.
Yes, that data set is not appearing. That's my only problem.
But run the cell, no? First one.
Okay. It is running.
Can you click? There is one arrow at the bottom right. Can you click that? Bottom right arrow. Yeah,
Okay,
it's a correct notebook only. Yeah, open that. Click on that. Yeah,
okay. Thank you.
it's correct.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, can we consider random forest classifying gradient boosting classifiers as different ones?
Yes, yes, they are different. One is boosting, one is bagging. So they are different.
चप्पल उसको चप्पल पहनाओगे जब बोलते भी नहीं हो बारहवीं चप्पल पहनो अरे इधर आओ चप्पल पहनो चप्पल वहां जाएंगे वहां वहां जल्दी
Okay, anybody else's question?
चप्पल पहनो वहां जाएंगे वहां वहां खेलेंगे क्ले खेलेंगे क्ले
Okay, anybody else?
Please mute.
Uh,
Sir,
I don't know, Chappal, somebody is having.
I have a question. When we share our notebook with the IIT ID, do we have to give the viewer access or the editor access? There are two
Viewer
options here.
access. Viewer access.
Viewer access.
Is it mandatory to submit daily?
No, it's not mandatory to submit daily.
So till we make the submission, we can, I mean, share the notebook, we can make the submissions, right?
Yes, you can make submissions. Yes.
So whichever notebook I want to share, then I can do the sharing part.
No. First, share the notebook, complete the process, dummy submission, and all. Later on, you can edit it. So it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, that's before the deadline, but till then I can keep
Sir.
submitting, right?
Yeah, you can keep submitting. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So where is that option, sir? Viewer option or editor option where we can find that?
Open the share. Share this. Share one.
Yeah, in the top right side.
Search the
Share.
collaborator ITM BSCS 2008.
Search collaborators.
Yes.
What we have to do? Yeah.
IITM BSCS 2008P.
Correct. Yeah.
So click on that, and there will be option view and edit. I guess it will be there.
Yes, sir. Can view it, sir.
Give view access.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
So the session will be on Thursday, right?
Yes, on Thursday, 7 to 8.
Okay.
So the process has been very complex, sir. For the first timers, though you have made it simple this time and explained it.
Sir.
Took a long time to understand actually.
Sir.
Yeah, there are a few steps. Then later on, you just need to keep on editing your notebook. That's all. Nothing else. This first submission is a bit tricky, but later on, you don't have to do this again and again.
Sir.
Yes.
So if you are able to follow the correct procedure, then everyone will be able to get the maximum points, no, sir? Then if you
yes,
follow
but
the correct. It's like a calculator only. Suppose if you are pressing, if you started to use the calculator properly, then the prediction, this model also will be predicting equally good for everyone.
yes, but later on, EDA will make a difference, right? Somebody will have different kind of EDA. The whole game is in EDA. How good you do it.
Yeah, the scaling part of it or anything else.
Selection, PCA, then later on, of course, hyperparameter tuning is also there. But and everything, like, so everything what you do before training the model or something like that.
And the model itself, which is the best model we have to choose from the various models.
Yes.
That is also one part of it.
Yes.
Sir. Sir.
Yes. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, I am being asked when I am sharing the file with notebook with the admin.
Yes.
It's asking for some verification. Can you see that? Why is that asking?
I think you need to give the mobile number or something like that. to
But
Kaggle.
I'm not able to, put that values in that also.
Then share your screen. I think you have to share.
Can you see this?
Not yet appearing. Yes. So give your phone number now.
Sir, I am not able to edit anything. I'm not able to enter values here.
Reload your page.
Reload or
Hard
something.
reload.
Search. Click on I am not robot. Okay. Click on I am not robot or something. I thought. Share private. Okay, keep it private. Search ITMBS. Yes. Click on that. Okay. Click on I am not robot. Now go. We'll do that.
Not,
Not yet.
not yet.
Select the country code first, like maybe it's just appearing.
It's India only.
Already have a code.
I think you can try like just go outside the notebook interface and try verifying your account before coming to this. That
Yes.
might work.
That way also you can.
Yes.
What's
Go
it?
to your Kaggle profile, like just at kaggle.com and slash your username. No,
Yep.
no, not here.
Top
Right,
right
right.
here.
Click settings. Verify your phone number, phone verification.
Yeah.
Oops, you can do that, I guess. Yeah. Don't show it to everyone.
You can hide it.
You can hide it. Something.
Okay.
So, project sessions are actually there every week, right? But it's not added to the calendar yet.
Yeah, we'll add it. We'll
Yeah.
add it to calendar.
So, sir, the last submission is on first. So, till that, like, we will have a session every
Yes.
week, right? Yeah.
Yes. Yes. You will have session.
Okay.
Okay. Should we close this?
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, the three this one the tab and one tab is that is on my dashboard, that is project like BDM, and this one